Meaning of empirically.
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 Empirically. Empirically refers to information that is based on observations and experiences rather than theory or pure logic. It means that something is tested, observed, and measured through experimentation or data collection. For example, in a scientific study, researchers might use empirical evidence to support their conclusions. This evidence might come from experiments, surveys, or other types of data collection. Overall, empirical evidence is important because it provides a way to test ideas and theories and determine whether they are accurate or not based on real-world observations.